In Japan, there's a peculiar unwritten rule against sneezing in public. This custom stems from a deep cultural emphasis on harmony and respect for others, where loud or disruptive actions are discouraged. Legend has it that sneezing can be interpreted as a disturbance, prompting stares or even whispers among bystanders. Observers recount amusing tales of people stifling sneezes, leading to awkward expressions as one tries to maintain decorum. Despite the humorous antics around it, this practice underscores Japan's dedication to a peaceful, considerate society, showing how even a sneeze can create ripples in community etiquette.